Good morning students. Today we are learn our fourth computer chapter of class 7th, that is QBasic looping statements. Okay. In my previous lecture we learn one example and four for next. Okay. So in this lecture we learn next counter. So let's start students. There can be any number of statement in between for and next. There can be any number of statement in between for and next. In the above program, only one statement is written by for and next. One statement in this program, one statement is written between for and next. Okay. So counter is available used to establish a loop. So counter is variable to establish a loop, which is count in the above program. The start value and end value are the initial and final value of counter. So the start value is initial value and end value is final value of counter in the above program. In other program, the start value and end value of count are 1 and 5 respectively. In above program, the start value and end value of count are 1 to 5 respectively. Okay. So increment value is the value by which the value of counter is increased each time the loop executes. Okay. So in the above program, the loop executes for 5 times. In above program, loop executes 5 times. Okay. Starting from 1 and going up to 5 with printing. Surya Mishra. If it is not specified, the value of counter is increased by 1. So value of counter is increased by 1. Next, transfer the program control to for. If the value of counter exceed the end value, the loop is terminate and the program control is transferred to the next of the next. Okay. So let us write the program to print the table of a given number using the for next statement. So you can use the step attributes to specify how much a will be increased each time through the loop. For a is equal to 1 to 5, step 2. Okay. So print a and next is a. The output of this program will be 1 to 5. Means 1, 3 and 5. Okay. So you can use the step value as a native number. Means for a is equal to 10 to 1. So step is 3. Print a and next is also a. The output of this program will be 10, step 3 by 7, step 3 by 4 and step 3 by 1. Understand? So you can also use the step values in real number. Okay. For b is equal to 1 to 2, step is 0.5. So print b and next is also b. The output of this program will be 1, 1.5 and 2. Okay. Understand? The Shyam wants to write a QBasic programs to print odd numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. Odd numbers. Which number? Odd numbers. From 1 to 100 using the for next statement. Help them write the program. Solution: for x is equal to 1 to 100. Step is 2. So print x and next is x. Okay. So understand students. So in your homework, write the next counter information about for one time. Okay, in your book and notebook also.